In this video, we're going to have a chat about what you should do to give your merch account a quick boost after it's been paused for some time due to the recent events. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Adnan, but you can call me Addy because it's easier. I'm an entrepreneur. I own a few Shopify businesses, FBA business, Etsy, merch by Amazon. I'm on the 50k tier. I've sold over $1 million of sales on merch by Amazon alone in the last couple of years. I sell on a bunch of other POD platforms. I have other businesses which I don't have time to discuss right now. Let me put it this way, I've been there, I've done that, and I want to give back to the community. That's why I'm making these videos. So as you guys know, Amazon had shut down its printing facilities as soon as the pandemic started, and it's only just given us publishing rights again in the US a couple of days ago, UK and DE a month ago. And I must admit, it sucked having a paused account, but luckily I have a healthy account, so I was still selling in the UK and DE regardless, and I also have multiple businesses, so that doesn't really matter. That's why you should have a backup plan always and diversify your businesses. Never have all your eggs in one basket. But for many people, their accounts would take a big hit after a long pause because a lot of their products would not be buyable and they may lose their ranking in the algorithm, which really sucks because it's a slow grind to get an account performing again. One quick announcement, let me take a quick break to give a shout out to the comment winner from last video, Sbiti Abdullah, who said keep up the good content. So let me put it this way guys, we're all on the same boat. Many of our merch designs have not been selling, but other clothing categories have been selling. This means that sales velocity and sales ranks have suffered, right? Any products with no reviews are now on an even playing field, and I would say only products with reviews have a bit of an edge for now. This means that competition is going to be fierce for the top spots in popular niches. So what can we do? Well, the answer is driving sales. Do everything you can to drive sales to your designs to give them that sales velocity needed to rank again in top pages. Behave as if you're starting your account from scratch. What would you do? Here is the first thing I want you to do before you do anything. Conduct a thorough audit of your account. Analyze your account and see where it's at. See how many buyable products you've got versus non-buyable products. Check how many designs you have that have a good ASIN below 250k. Check how many designs that are about to come off or to expire. Basically, assess your business for opportunities. The next thing I want you to do is, whether you have money to spend on ads or not, start marketing your designs. Get onto Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. All these are avenues that you can use to get your designs in front of more eyeballs, and the more chance you'll give yourself to sell your designs. If you're lucky enough to start spending your money on ads, make sure you use Amazon advertising as soon as you can. I'm a massive advocate of using organic traffic, but frankly, you can't rely on just organic traffic because the competition has got a lot more aggressive these days. Your goal is to break even, so work out what your break even ACOS is and get to work. Making initial sales with Amazon advertising will give your designs that sales velocity they need to take off and start ranking organically. I'm not using Amazon advertising at the moment because I'm focusing on other projects, but I definitely recommend it if you have access to it and you have the budget to spend. Lower prices to cost and optimize your listings of designs that are about to come off. Really important. Also, add your designs to the new products that have just been added to UK and DE. Increase your uploads overall. Upload. That's all I'm gonna say. We all know merch by Amazon and POD in general is all about a numbers game. The low tiers are the hardest to get out of, but once you start moving up, it only gets easier. If you're in the low tiers and you run out of slots, optimize your listings and lower your prices to cost. Give it 2 to 3 weeks. If you see sales, then great. If not, then remove designs that haven't sold and replace them with new designs, preferably trend and holiday based designs because they tend to sell at high volumes. And if one design works for you, then this would be your ticket out of the low tiers. Design for every single holiday from now on until Christmas. You will crush it if you do it from now because you'll have plenty of time for your designs to rank. At least one design should take off, hopefully. Scale your niches that are already working for you, either by scaling the design itself to other demographics or professions or birth years or family members, etc., or by scaling to other design concepts within the same niche if it's already doing well. A bit of motivation for you, have hope and keep grinding. Remember that one design can change your life, so keep chasing that one design and never ever give up. I know I've been away from this channel because I've been so busy, but I've come back and I'll be bringing you some awesome value, so stay tuned. If you got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. Leave a comment, subscribe, activate the notification bell, and share this video on social media with friends who may find it useful. By the way, if you're new or haven't seen my content on Merch by Amazon before, here is a playlist which I'm going to leave on the screen, which contains all the videos I did on merch. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.